is Samuel from ATG Ventures, and today I'll be walking you through how to git branch and git match. So why is this so needed? For example, let's say you are working with a particular company and you have to mobile app, for instance, and you have to push a new update. So what you do is you don't just push your new you don't just add your update to the existing one immediately. What you do at first is to create a branch on the particular repository that you guys are pushing to. Then after that we tested and satisfied that okay, this code is okay, then that's when you merge it to the existing repository. So you create your work separately on a separate branch. You understand? This is very important on collaborative work. That means if you have a particular job and everybody is working on different section of the job, so you create branch, each and every collaborators create branch and does their things on the branch, and then after it has been certified that okay, no bugs found, then that's when you merge it to the main repository. Hope that's how you understand that. Okay, without wasting much of our time, it is a continuation of the tutorial on Git. So first we have to do, I have an existing repository. I will check the repository data. Git, okay, this is the existing repository that I am working on the private repository. So now let's open the GitHub account. So here's my top account. I'll go to my repository. So this is the repository I'm working on, private. So as you can see, it has 2 branches already. Which was created 2 days ago. So what I'm going to do now is to add another branch. So what I'm going to do is know the branch data 1, so git branch. So as you can see, it's telling me that I'm on the master branch. So now let's create another branch entirely for this tutorial. Let's call it git branch. Let's call it today's let's call it repo. So let's call it repo. So git branch. So as you can see, we have 3 repo now. So let's go to the branch, the new branch now. Let's git checkout repo. So we have switched to the 3rd branch which we just created. Let's check, let's confirm that now. Git branch, as you can see, we're in the 3rd repo. So now let's do another thing. Let's create the file that we want to push. Okay, let's push this file PDF. Let's 857. So what we're going to do now is to go back to our repository. Let's go to our desktop. No, rather let's migrate to our desktop on this on our PC desktop. So we are there already. So let's git add 857. How that right? PDF. Yeah, 857 PDF. Sorry, git add 857.pdf. So it's added already. Now let's commit it. So we have committed the file. Now let's git push. So okay, it's giving us an info here. So what we're going to do now here is to copy this, but the file we are interested in is 857.pdf. We are pushing it to the repo. Okay. Okay, sorry. So we are pushing this. This is what we are going to do. We are pushing it to this particular repository. So it's pushing. Let's wait for it to finish uploading. Yeah, so it has finished uploading now. As you can see, the new branch in private grids. So let's go back and check for ourselves. Let's remove this page, Control R. So as you can see, we have 3 branches already. It was 2 branches before. We just have 3 now. And let's open this branch. We have the PDF file, which is 857.pdf. So we have the file already. We've successfully pushed our updates to our new branch. So now the next thing we are going to do is git merge. So to git merge, what we are going to do is we are going to get out of that repo to the main repo C3. So we are going to git checkout okay, so git fetch let's run this. Okay, it's not happy. Okay, so let's git checkout to our main repo C3 master. So we have switched to the master branch now. So now let's git merge merge repo. So as you can see, we have moved it our major desktop. So let's git push. So we have successfully transferred the file from our branch repo to the master branch. So let's confirm that from here. As you can see, it's here already. We run the master branch. So that's that. So thanks for watching videos. Please do well to subscribe to these channels to get more updates on tech informations like this. Thank you.